Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to easily clean and restore your water softener system. This unit right here, I installed this unit 2 years ago. It's an Aquasure Harmony Series 64,000 grain. So this one is a big boy right here. Might not be super big, but that's what I got. And this is the brine tank right here. That's the brine tank. That's where I put my salt in. Right there. I usually put about 2 bags of salt. That's about 80 pounds. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to easily clean it and restore back to new again. It's fairly simple. This is what I use to clean out and restore my water softener system. This one is called Iron Out. Right here, you can get this anywhere from a hardware store. I got this one from Home Depot for like $20 a bottle. So it's not that expensive. And it has about 4.75 pounds, which is 7.6 ounce bottle. So it's not bad. This bottle will last you quite some time. So you can use this bottle for a while before you run out. And this stuff right here will clean out any sediment or iron that inside the resin tank right here. If you see, this is the resin tank, which contain a lot of resin beads inside here. And that's resin bead is kind of like a magnet, which is, I mean, it has like 10 million beads inside here, a lot of them. So basically resin beads will, you know, attach itself to the sediment like iron or mineral that's in that water. And that's why you have to clean it out. So you gotta do it maybe once every year or once every 2 years, whatever how hard your water is. But I do this once a year. That should be good enough. Or you can do it often. You can do it once every 6 months. That's fine. It's not gonna hurt the resin beads inside here. It will give you the maximum performance once the resin beads are clean inside here. All right, let's get to it. First, you need a jug or something that you can measure with. This one is a 1 gallon jug, and this one is the halfway right here. You can see half a gallon, that's 2 quarts. So you need to fill this jug up halfway with cold water, and it have to be cold water. Go ahead and fill it up. All right, that's halfway right there. That's half a gallon. Now, next step is to add 1 cup of this powder. Go ahead, get you a little measuring cup. And this right here is a 1 cup. So you need to pour the powder in here, 1 cup. So just pour it in. So that's about a cup right there. Go ahead and pour in to this half gallon of water, cold water. And you mix it up. Try to dissolve that powder. Now, looks like the powder dissolved completely. So that's good. Now, let's go to the next step. You need to open this brine tank lid right here. And you need to put that liquid that you just mixed, put it into the brine well right here. There's the brine well. There's a little tube, those long tubes that go all the way down to the bottom of the tank. Yeah, go ahead and pop this lid right here. Most brine well will have the lid, so this one got a little lid. Go ahead and open that one up. You go ahead and pour that into the brine well. Just pour it in. Don't worry if you spill something to the salt. It's gonna get clean at the end. So No worries on that. Let's go ahead and fill it all in, half a gallon. All right, close the lid and put the brine tank lid back on. All right, now let's go to the next step. All right, if you have the Harmony series, that's what the top of the resin tank gonna look like. This is the control unit, electronic control unit. You need to open up the cover, and if you see this this recycling sign button right here, you know, with the 3 arrows pointing in a little triangle, go ahead and hold this down for 5 seconds. This button is actually a immediate regeneration. So go ahead and hold down for 5 seconds. And once you hold it down, that's what it's gonna say. Go to BW brine wash, and it's gonna start doing its thing. Now you can hear it. Now you're gonna say 15-minute brine wash. It's doing its thing, it's doing the regeneration. So just let it get done. Just let it get done. It's gonna finish it automatically and go back to normal and start recounting the gallons in the system. All right, that's pretty much it. That's pretty simple. I mean, just especially for that Harmony series water softener system, it's just one button. You hold it down, regenerate, that's it. And is this bottle, like I said earlier, will last you quite some time, I mean for years, because you clean it once a year. You know, I mean, if you can go hardcore about it, you can clean it out once every 6 months. So basically, if you do that, you use 2 cups every year. It's not necessary because, I mean, 1 year is good enough. But if you have like a super hard water or a well water, you know, going through your water softener system, yeah, I would recommend clean it out once every 6 months. But the water came from the city, so I mean semi-clean, but it's not super clean. So once a year is plenty. All right, and I hope you learned something today that will help you maintain, clean, and restore your water softener system. All right, thanks for watching.